Welcome to my digital classroom. My name is Miss Vrba. I have been teaching at Osborne for 7 years. I am certified to teach in English Language Arts and ESOL. I'm teaching American Literature for Sheltered ESOL and one section of Com Skills for ESOL. I have taught in California as well as the Czech Republic, so I know what it's like to travel to another country and have to learn a new language in order to live in a new culture. So I can really relate with my students, and I let them know this so that they can feel welcomed in my classroom. My job is to take you where you're at and to push you and get you to the next level. My teaching superpower is how to teach students how to write and build your confidence so that you know that you write very well. Another thing about me, I'm going to be helping out with the Osborne High School's PTA this year. I'm one of the teacher sponsors, and I'm also a teacher sponsor for Georgia Honors Program. So if you have any questions about the PTA or the Georgia Honors Program, please email me, contact me, and I can schedule a time for us to talk. Now, let me just show you a little bit about what students need to know. We really want to use the CTLS system, which is the Cobb Teaching Learning System. We want students to use it, but we also want parents and guardians to use it. I will communicate once a week to all parents through CTLS Parent View. You will get an email from me. So when a student comes, they have their 4 classes in the CTLS. They would click on their class that they need to go to. And I'm going to put the student view on. And then here's information about me. You just click on it for more. We will start having discussions. I put in announcements that are important for the host school. And then our class board are lessons or messages that are very important to our classroom. Students access digital sessions by going here. Our first unit is the American Dream in American Literature. They click on this, and the most recent lesson will appear, and then the next date, what we did yesterday, will appear. They also have Lesson Resources tab to click to find the documents they need to do their work, and then they have their first lesson assignments in here. All right. So they have an assignment that they need to type and post for a grade. They will submit it to me for a grade when they are complete. So I just gave you a little quick review of the CTLS system. But if you have any more questions, please reach out to me. I am here for you. I'm looking forward to an awesome school year. I want to see all my kids do very well. I want to see them succeed and excel and thrive at Osborne High School. I hope to meet you soon. Thank you.